Hello and welcome to this Dr. Frost Maths key skill video on multiplying two surds. Now there's just one rule that you need to remember for this, is that we first multiply any non-surds, and by non-surds I mean numbers which don't have a square root over them, then multiply the surds. So let's do the first example. We first multiply the non-surds. Well, there's only one non-surd here. The 3 is the non-surd, and the root 2 is a surd. So we look at the non-surds first. We've got the 3, and there's nothing to multiply it by, so we just write the 3. And then we multiply the surds. Again, there's only one surd. We've got the root 2, so we have root 2. Because remember, when we write surds, we might write, say, like, I don't know, 5 lots of root 7 or 6 lots of root 2, but we wouldn't write it the other way around. We wouldn't say root 7 lots of 5. We'd always put the non-surd first. So that non-surd, that 3, goes first before the surd. What about the second one? 2 times root 3. Now, the non-surd, the 2 goes first, so you just get 2 root 3. What about C? Root 2 times root 3. Now, we don't have any non-surds to multiply together, so we just have surds. So we multiply the surds together, and when that happens, you just multiply the 2 and the 3 together. 2 times 3 is 6, so we get root 6. And then the last one combines everything together. We first multiply the non-surds, so the non-surds are the 4 and the 2. 4 and the 2 times together to give 8, and then we multiply the surds, so root, and then we multiply the root 3 by the root 5, we just multiply the 3 and the 5, that's 15, so we get root 15. So a key point here is that you can only multiply non-surds together, and you can only multiply surds together. You can't combine, for example, the 2 and the root 3 to get root 6. That's a non-surd, that's a surd, so they have to be kept separately, although you can write them next to each other.